See question number 23, children. AB equals CB has been given. Now this is the given component. AB equals CB. Next, ADC, angle ADC has been given equal to angle AECC. This is external angle. This is a line and this is linear pair. This one and this one happens to be linear pair. If this is 30 and this is 30, the internal one, example I am just explaining for your understanding. If this is 30, then this will be 120 and this will also be 120. Therefore herein I state that for triangle AEB and triangle CDB, we have this angle equals this angle. How? By linear pair we have arrived at this point that this angle is equal to this angle when these angles are equal. These are external angles to these triangles. This triangle is the external for this triangle. This is external angle for this triangle. Now we have got angles also. It has been given that the angle is 75. If this is 75, obviously this will be 115 degrees and this one is also 115 degrees. That is how we will deduce this angle and say that it is 115. Therefore angle D, this angle is equal to this angle. Now the third find is angle B, which is common in both these triangles. Angle B equals angle B, it is common. So by angle and side congruency, these two triangles are proved to be congruent. Therefore AE equals to CD by CP CT. This is the answer for this. Question number 24. In this diagram we have been given that AB equals to CF and FE equals to BD, that has been given. Now BF is common. If equals are added to equals, if I add BF to both sides, I will have AF and BC. Therefore this is what it has been given here. And next thing is these angles are equal, AF equals CBD. Now what is the third find? It is being given FE equals to BD. Therefore by side included angle and side SAS congruence, we have this triangle congruent to this triangle, hence proved. Herein also the above problem is repeated here also. This FE is common for this side and also for this side, and since BF is equal to EC, that has been given here, adding FE to both sides, if equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. Therefore that way we have BE equals to FC, BE equals to CF. And next thing is AB equals CD and this has been given as 90 degrees. Therefore we have side angle and side congruence. By SAS congruency we have ABE congruent DCF, ABE congruent DCF, and from this we have AE is equal to DF by CPCT.